Hi, this is Sonia with Artsy Solutions, and welcome to Junk Journal July. And it's hosted by Meg Journals in collaboration with Get Bessie Art. And we're getting very close to the end. And today's prompt for the 29th is contrast. So I decided I'm just going to keep this like uber simple. This is going to be like a 5-minute process, literally. And so what I went ahead and did was I found 2 magazine images, and this one is of a Hershey's milk chocolate s'mores skillet, and looks very yummy but most likely unhealthy. And then we have this bowl of some sort of salad, and it looks yummy as well, but it's obviously more healthy. So we've got a healthy and non-healthy, or dietary, non-dietary. So basically I'm just gonna tear off a piece of this pie or cookie cake or whatever. I guess it's pie, s'mores pie. And I'm just going to add it into the journal. I'm just going to glue it on. And then I'm going to do the same thing. Oh, I really hate to waste these pages, but I'm just going to glue these together. So that we can just create one page. And then I'm just going to glue this image on. Okay, and then I'm just going to take some white gesso and some alcohol ink, and my brayer, and I'm just going to paint a background. I'm just going to use some of this aquamarine. I'm just going to mix it. Let me take this book out because I don't want to get this ink and stuff all over it. I'm going to take the signature out. Okay, so I just took the heating tool and I just dried the paint. And so now I'm just going to take this Distress Crayon Vintage Photo. I'm just going to go around this bowl. And we're just going to create some shadow. I'm going to do the same thing with this cookie or pie or whatever. It looks so delicious. But my body would not like it. I need to stay away from stuff like that. And then I'm going to take my white Posca pen and I'm just going to kind of highlight the bowl. Let me get another one. Make this bigger one. This is 3mm or 3M, PC 3M, whatever. No, it is 3mm, I guess. Okay, so just gonna go around the edge. Do the same thing with this cookie. And then I think I'm just going to cut around the edge of this bowl and this cookie to make it look like it's coming off the page. So this is pretty much it. So we have contrasting colors, we have contrasting types of recipes, like we have healthy, not so healthy, have a contrasting filled in leaf. This is filled in contrast to this one that's not filled in. So we have some different contrasts going on. So that's my simple little layout, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out my other videos, blog, and social media sites. And although this challenge is almost over with, you can still participate, because some people get behind like I do, and we'll just do a couple of days at a time, or you don't have to do every single day if you don't want to. You can just do whatever you have time to do. But it's fun, and it's just a good way to use your scraps and learn new things, learn new techniques. But yeah, so I thank you all for my new subscribers and my current subscribers and those who've been tuning in and checking out my artwork. And I just want to say happy crafting.